In this tutorial, we're going to introduce you to the convert function. Let me show what's going on. Here we have a simple layout. We want to convert feet to meters. The convert function within Excel is a powerful tool. It is comprehensive, and I'm not going to dive too deep into the convert function yet. This is just an introduction. All we're going to do is we're going to convert feet to meters. Pretty straightforward. We have C5, which is the 100, whatever it is, 100 feet. We're going to convert that over to meters. Then we have 40 feet, and we're going to convert that over to meters. And then we have 20 feet, and we're going to convert that over. We're going to reverse it. We're going to take meters, and we're going to convert it to feet. It's just that simple. Over here, you can utilize the convert function to convert feet measurements for new homes here. We're just using homes for an example. The meters or vice versa, here's the formula. Okay, the convert function requires 3 arguments: number, from unit, and to unit. So here we have number, from, to. So we're going a starting point of 100. And we want to convert it from unit, feet, over to meters. Over here, feet, to, and this says inch. This should say meters. I just copied the other information. That's it. We're taking 100 feet and we're going to convert it over to, so 100 meters turns into 30.48 feet. We go over here to meters and we reverse that and put 30.48. It converts over to 100 feet. 12.19, just to show you the equivalence, turns into 40 feet. 6.10 converts meters to feet. That's it. It's a nice, simple formula, but you can combine it with some other formats. You can convert a lot of different things over, liters to gallons and gallons to ounces, and we can even do currency, but that's a whole different topic. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out.